Welcome to Retire Hustler. This is week 12. I'm documenting my journey to 100K profit in 12 months with options trading. I'm in fourth month right now and I'm almost 21% in the goal and my monthly average is just around 5,000. I need to take that around 8 to 10 so I can make that 100K goal in 12 months. This was a calm week, I would say. I closed only three trades right now. And as you can see, I got the first loss of the whole challenge. I'm surprised actually I didn't take this loss for 100 days. But anyway, now I'm feeling more down to earth, I would say. I know somehow this loss made me feel even good in terms of like, okay, I am acknowledging my losses. That can happen. This is the journey and all good, and I should just keep going. So my ROI is still good, like 4%, in total 82 trades. As you can see, by the way, I start using this new dashboard. I just built it for myself. And before I was using Google Sheets as most of options trader. You know, many options trader will confirm this. Logging your each and every options trade is really hard to Excel. You know, most of brokers doesn't give much details or a user-friendly platform for your detailed, complex options. For example, you might have a butterfly options with like four leg, or you can roll your legs out in the money. So those differences, those like strike prices, you can't see very detailed in an broker report. That's why most of options trader using Excel files. They're putting one line per one trade, and they're putting their strike prices, expiration dates, and entry prices and exit prices, and together with their delta. So that's really most of traders I know how they are doing. So, but Excel has also their limitations. So anyway, I'm giving a try to this new platform and I added some cool features like it is showing me my options which is going to expire soon. So 4 days, 4 days, so I can click this one and see the details. Also, I have here requires attention visual. In this visual, I see if the current price is getting closer to my strike price. So I need to check these things and I need to decide whether I'm going to roll it or keep it. So I can see the weekly trades here in this week, what I did. And all these buttons are clickable and show you the details. So let's, for example, check this week's trades. As you can see here, last week I closed total 10 trades and I profit 1,342, and it came from these three trades, and I can see my closed trades like open trades or remove the whole filters, and I can go, okay, let me see my Amazon trades. So do I have any open Amazon trades, or how about my leaps, for example? And do I have any open leaves, closed leaves, and from closed leaves, how much I earn? So I really like enjoying so far. It is making my life very easier. And I will make a longer video on this one. I just want to show this tab tool because this tab is the tab I use most and I put most effort. And this tab, basically what it does, it's showing my watch list stocks if they are below 200-day moving average or if they are below RSI 20 or 30, and if it's stochastic indicator above or below 20, and if they are near the lower Bollinger Band or upper Bollinger Band. Actually, these whole indicators are the things which helps me to decide whether I need to go with that trade or not. So that's why I'm just clicking one button and it shows me directly on that day, okay, anyone below 200-day moving average. And even cooler, this aggregating those different indicators and showing me put credit spread or call credit spread opportunities. And I coded this scorecard here as the way will show me if a stock below 200-day moving average and below in stochastic 20, and if it's near the lower Bollinger Band, then okay, I can think about put credit spread on this one. And if it's above 80 stochastic and above the Bollinger Band, then it shows me the call credit spreads opportunities. So for example, I have also here a link and it goes directly to the TradingView website platform where I'm using that platform. So here, as you can see, the PayPal, which is highlighted as a put credit spread opportunity. As you can see here, it went down from the Bollinger Band and it is below 200-day moving average and RSI is around 30. So it is scanning all your watch list and finding whether all of these indicators are in line, and it is saying, okay, this is a put credit spread. Actually, that is what I was doing manually. So I have this like list here and I'm going one by one. Okay, this one is actually in the middle, so it is not above 80, like RSI is 50. Okay, next one. I'm doing this basically. I'm going, okay, like still like 35 stochastic, so I'm more interested below 20s. So one by one, I'm going on this one for the put credit spreads or call credits options. So that is my kind of strategy. But right now with this button here, I can just see exactly out of 32 stocks in 1 second which one is trading in the way I want. So I'm really enjoying. I'm thinking to add more indicators here to make it even better. I'm also working a back testing a menu here. So I'm still working on it, but yeah, I have also news. I'm pulling the news for each company, updated news. I can refresh. And there is this earning calendar. I can also see like which earning report is coming in the future. I'm really enjoying and I'm keep developing this one. And let me know in the comments if you are interested. I can share with you. It's a ready web portal. Even it works in mobile. You can just sign in with your email and start using it. Anyway, let's start with the trades of the week. Here I will click the week button and it will show me like I mentioned. So from the closed trades here, I close 3 trades this week, and let's start with the lost one. Oh, also like you can just click here to go to the graph of that stock. So let's check this one. I enter on 29 and exit on 6th of November and just 1 day before the expiration date. So 29, yeah, I entered just right on this one. It was above 90 in stochastic indicator and RSI was so high in the like previous all-time high, and I consider this as a good call credit spread option because trades, as you can see, stock making a kind of a predictable move over the last 6 months at least, even more, like at least the whole year. So I was expecting after here a downside little, maybe touching to the 100-day or 200-day moving average and bouncing back from there. And as you can see here, most of time it touches the 100 and go up. But what happened? It happened some different activity, and it go all the way up and it didn't go down much. Then I was waiting, maybe after earning, I can see some drop, and that drop happened, but it didn't exactly down from my strike. My strike price was of my call credit spread was around here, 78, and the other one was 78 and 80. So yeah, it was like just here. So yeah, actually it was my bad to waiting up until the last day. But I got that 200 loss and move with my other trades. So I have here a cash secured put in Palantir. So Palantir was also trading. So I enter on 27 October and exit on 7 November. And 27 October was just right here. And it was like kind of 70 stochastic, but since there was in a few days earning reports, I want to play a call credit spread. I was expecting some drop, but I I thought like it won't go that much down. So I enter it and I just let it expire actually. It never went down to 150, so I let it expire and I got the full premium 93. So my last closed trade was the biggest winner. It was Netflix. So it was a long call option. So, after earning, Netflix went down quite a bit, and there was a split coming on 14 November. So the stock was here exactly. I entered on 3 of November and I bought like 4 leaps options because I was really thinking it went down so much under 200 moving day average and it doesn't go that much below 200 day average and it was coming a split. So I thought it will be a nice hype before split. So I bought this in this red big day and 4 leaps option and stocks start like going up and down and each day I was seeing like 1000 profit and 1000 profit. I said like maybe I should just take a profit because 1000 in a few days is really nice. So I just want to take the profit and if it goes back again I would enter again with my capital, I said. Then actually that happened. So in 3 days I took that 1500 capital and like after in the same day actually I it went down to the same price. So as you can see my open price is exact same. So I open in this one, I think I close it around like 71, something like that. And then from 71 it it dropped to 68 again. So I took that profit and open again when it's dropped to the same price. So right now I have an open Netflix long call option. Again, 4 leaps, same strike price. Strike price is around here. So I will see how it goes, that one in next week. So that was my closed trades of the week. So let's see the open ones. Like I mentioned, Netflix, a long call. I will see how the split play will go. And other than that, I have usual credit spreads in Meta, Palantir, and also I have 2 more Netflix credit spreads. Like it's very like 84, 90 strike in February and March. I really believe Netflix has a nice fundamentals. Like after earnings, because of an issue in Brazil, it went so much down, but like they're increasing their subscriptions, they're increasing their revenue and earnings. So that's why I have a long-term belief in this company. So I want to enter a safe put credit spreads. For example, one is right here, 88, which is way below the current price, and one is around 90, I think. 900, sorry. Yeah, 984. 804, sorry. Right here one and right here another one. So way below the current price and way in the future in February and March. So that's why I think it's a safe bet on that one. So we'll see how it goes after split. Other credit spreads was in Palantir, Meta, and Dash. Let me show those quickly. They are similar, went so much down after earning, and they are going even more down and sideways. So that's why is in the indicators also way below in the stochastic 20 level. And look at the RSI, like last time RSI was like that was in April in the tariff crisis. So that's why I see as good opportunity as a credit spread. Strike prices again in 590, just around here. So, and the strike expiration is in 40 days almost. So we'll see how it goes in the next 40 days. And also in Dash, also, Dash is fundamentally so strong company. They're increasing their orders every single quarter, increasing their revenues and amazing charts, amazing charts. So they went down after earning so much, and I believe they will recover in the long term. So I open a credit spread here, and it's already went above the credit spread right now. I mean, about the strike prices, so I have still 45 days to run this option. So we will see how it will go. As you can see here in the RSI indicator, they didn't even went down for months or years. They are always was kind of above 35 level, but right now they are around 20s. They went down 20s. Now they are recovering. So that's why I want to open this put credit spread, and those indicators point me this way, and let's see how it goes. Just a reminder, I'm sharing my journey here. I'm documenting my trades. These are not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So please take your own risk assessment, make your own research, and put your money into stock market accordingly. So having said that, also open a trade in Palantir. It's a credit spread, and let me show you that quickly. So I opened the trade on 4th of November with a strike price of 160. So I opened this trade on 4th of November. It was here, it dropped a little bit from all-time high, and I was thinking, okay, it will recover soon, but maybe not in a short term. So my strike price is of put credit spread is just here, 160, 155. So right now it is trading sideways, but we'll see how it goes in 40 days. So I think also this stock is a really strong fundamentals, strong financials, and they don't go easily down from the 100-day average. So we will follow in the next 30 days. So these are my open and close trades of the week, and I made 1,342 as I mentioned, and it put me on 21% of my goal. And if you are interested to follow my journey to going 100K goal in 12 months, please consider subscribing. And if you are having any value from this video, please consider liking it as well. So let me know if you are interested with this web portal. I can share with you guys. So just comment me in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you week 13.